I'm Eddie Field, and this is Field Guide to DIY. You know, they tell you if you've got a dead battery, just go to your local auto parts store. They'll put it in free for you. So you go there and you say, okay, I'd like to have a battery installed. Okay, we'll say, yep. All right, what kind of car is it? It's a Ford Escape. What? Oh, no, we can't help you. So, in this video, I'm going to tell you step-by-step how to replace the battery in the Ford Escape. It's a long process. We got a lot to cover. Let's dive right in. We're going to start by removing the wiper blades. Wait, what? Remove the wiper blades? Yes, you have to remove the wiper blades. You don't need a wheel puller, you just gently work them free.
Puller. Having the bin of toolage.
Remove the defroster vent. It unsnaps from the windshield, and then it has 8 clips that you'll have to pry loose.
I see some of these 8. Huh? 8. There's 4 in the center in my hand. Right. 2 on this side and 2 on this side. Oh, you got 2 on that side?
Don't buy a Ford.
When your girls come to visit, it's like a Ford dealership. When the in-laws come to visit, it's like to change a battery. We haven't even gotten to the battery.
With a fake one. Going for the video here, we should probably do it right?
No, we don't care about the video.
Next, you remove the defroster cover with 4 bolts, 2 on each side. Remove the brake fluid reservoir and just let it rest on the top of the engine.
That's a good shot right there.
Next, remove the battery tie down.
5 is not 4 is.
But not the.
Next, remove the battery back cover.
I can't believe you're making yours.
Detach the battery terminals from the posts.
There we go. I'm gonna tuck right here.
Remove the old battery.
This is the fun part.
Carefully drop in the new battery.
Wrong size.
Clean off the old battery terminals. Reinstall the battery tie down. Reconnect the battery terminals. Test the new battery and your connections. Return the battery cover. Reinstall the defrost cover.
That looks good.
Reattach the brake fluid reservoir.
Oh, perfect. You see?
Reattach the defroster vent, reclip the 8 clips, and snap it back into place on the windshield.
Clips in first.
Remount the windshield wipers.
What's that? Should they cross like that? Just adjust.
Finally, test it again. For more automotive repair tips, click the image on your screen now.